A very cheerful morning to each one of you, my dear children. In today's session, we are going to learn about articles. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. Okay, so before we move on to the topic, yes, let us revise. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26. So we are familiar with all the letters in English alphabet. Don't we, children?
28.
Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and these letters are divided into two. Okay, and these letters are divided into two, like our two hands, vowels and consonants. Okay, vowels and consonants. So how many vowels are there? 5. Okay, there are 5 vowels. And the remaining, how many letters are there? 21 letters are there. And what are they are called? Consonants. Okay, so we know that there are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants. There are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants, like a two hands alphabet. That is English. The letters in English alphabet are divided into two. That is vowels and consonants. Okay, so now what I want to make you sure is, what are the 5 vowels? Can you tell me what are the 5 vowels? Okay, A, E, I, O, and U. These are called as the vowels. Okay, very good. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Remaining, how many letters are there? 21. Let us say, and they, what are they are called? Consonants. Okay, so let us say the consonants, my dear children. Yes, come on, tell. B, C, D, yes, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, E, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are called consonants. Okay, so there are 21 letters which are called as consonants, and there are 5 letters in English alphabet which are called as vowels. Now, when a word, now what are we going to learn, children? All of you, please do listen. When a word starts with a vowel or a vowel sound, we use "and" before the word. That is what we are going to learn in today's class, all about the article. Article means a, an, and the are called articles. It is very easy to identify. When a word starts with a vowel or a vowel sound, we have to use "and" before the vowel. Is that clear? Okay, we have to use "an", A-N, article, A-N, before the vowel. Vowel or vowel sound. Sound, I'll tell you the later. First, let us learn only about the vowel. The vowel sound, I'll let you know about. I've already told you all the letters do have a name and its own sound. Okay, so according to the vowel, as the sound changes, the vowel sound I'll talk to you later, but let us now learn only about the vowel. So we use article "and" before the word that begins with a vowel. Is that clear? And we use article "a" before the consonant word. So that is what we are going to learn in today's session. Okay, all about the articles. So in today's session, let us learn about the article a and an. It is very much related to the vowels and consonants. So let's move on to it. Okay, are you all ready, my dear children? Yes. Yes. Okay. Page number, I'll tell you. Page number is 9. All of you, please do, or just keep it open, my dear children. Just keep the book open. Yes. All of you, please do take worksheet 4. Articles. In today's class, we are going to learn about articles. A, and the are called articles. Okay, so today's class, we are going to learn about the usage of a, and the. Though we'll be learning it in the next class. Today, let us learn about a and an. Okay, is that clear to all of you? Okay, so let's move on to it. Yes. So today we are going to learn about the articles a and an. So we use article an before a word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. Clear to all of you? All of you, please do look at the slide. Don't look anywhere else. Don't look into your book even. So we use and before the word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. For example, these are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. If a word begins with A, what we have to do, for example, apple, we have to use and before the word. If the word begins egg, so what we have to do, children? We have to use and before the word. Clear? Egg is a vowel letter. So the word begins with a vowel letter. If the word begins with a vowel letter, we have to use and before the word. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, for ice cream, what do we do? All of you, please do listen. Ice cream. So it's a word that begins with a vowel letter. So we have to use and before the word. Clear? Now, O, orange. If the word begins with a vowel letter, we have to, O is a vowel. So what we have to do? We have to use and before the word. We have to use the article and before the word. Umbrella. So what we have to use here? We have to use and before the word. Has U is a, it starts with the vowel letter U. Clear to all of you? So we use and before the word that begins, we use and before the word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. Okay, so these are the vowels. We are familiar with the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. If a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, we have to use an article and before the word. Now let's move on to the examples. All of you look at it. All of you look at the examples, all of you. Please do look at the examples. Apple. Okay, apple is a word that begins with a vowel letter A. So we have to use, yes. So we have to use the article and before it. Clear? Okay. Elephant is a word that begins with a vowel letter E. So we have to use article and before the word. Children, if you're not muting your audios, I have to mute all. Kindly mute your audios. Okay. Now, all of you, please listen here. It's an ice cream. So ice cream is a word that begins with a vowel letter I. So what we have to do? We have to use article and before the word. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So when a word starts with a vowel letter, we have to use article and before the word. Clear? So we know that, we are pretty familiar that there are 26 letters in English alphabet and there are only 5 vowels. Okay, if a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, we have to use article and before the word. All of you please have a look at it once more. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, because all these words begins with a vowel letter. So what we have to do, we have to use the article and before it. Clear? I hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the next. That is all about the consonants. All of you please have a look at it. So we know, other than out of the 26 letters, 5 are called as vowels, and remaining how many letters are there, my dear children? Remaining how many letters are there? 21. And 21 letters are consonants. Okay, so let us proceed with that. Okay, so all of you please have a look at it. These are called the consonant letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These letters in English alphabet, they are called as consonants. Let us revise once more. All of you, please. So these letters, these 21 letters are called as the consonants. Yes, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are called consonant letters. Okay, so the remaining letters of English, these are the consonants, these are called as a consonants. Okay, the remaining, we know that there are out of 26 letters, the remaining, there are 21 letters are there in English alphabet and they are called as consonants. Okay, so when a word starts with a consonant, yes, my dear?
Ma'am, this is 20 letters.
20 letters only are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21 letters are there. Okay, all of you please have a look at it. So when a word begins or starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use A before the word. So all of you please look here. We use A before a word that begins with a consonant. Clear? We use article A before the word that begins with a consonant. We use A. We use the article A before the word that begins with a consonant. So these are the consonants. There are 21. The number is large. But if the word begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, we have to use article A before the word. Clear to all of you? Yes. Now let's move on to the examples. All of you look at the slide. See here there are few examples. Cow. Cow is a word that begins with it's a consonant. So what we have to use? We have to use the article A before the word. As cow is a word that begins with a consonant letter. Clear? Cow, C-O-W, cow is a word that begins with a consonant letter C. So we have to use article A before the word. Okay? Now, beetle, B is a consonant letter. So we have to use the article A before the word. Clear? Deer is a word that begins with a consonant letter D. So we have to use article A before the word. Pearl, P is a consonant letter. So we have to use article a before the word. Clear to all of you? Yes? Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, everybody understood?
Yes.
So we know if a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, we have to use, what we have to use before the word, my dear children? We have to use article. We have to use article and before the word. Very good. We have to use article and and before the word. Very good. If the word begins with a consonant or a consonant sound, which article do we have to use before the word? A. Yes, we have to use article a before the word. The concept is very easy, but only thing is we need to remember this. Please don't forget. So there are only 5 vowels are there. So if a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound before the word, which article we have to use, my dear children? We have to use article and. Very good. We have to use article and. We have to use article and before the word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. If the word begins with a consonant, what we have to do? A. We have to use the article a before the word. Yes, very good. So let's move on to the topic. Okay. Yes, so we know that very well. Now, is it clear, my dear children? Is it clear? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
let me check. This is clear, no?
Yes. Yes.
Is this clear? This worksheet, I think so it's clear. Okay, so we will do the words which is,
Clear.
all are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So as these are the words, I'll write it on the board for you. Yes. Okay, okay. So I'll write the words for you so that will be more clearer for you.
You show last. That is so very clear.
Clear it is. Okay then. This is a very simple worksheet, my dear children. The first word is queen. Okay, okay. Please don't take your book. First, let us do the worksheet, which is in our worksheet. It is all combined worksheet, my dear children. Okay, it is all combined. So we will do our workbook later. Okay. Yes. So I'm writing the words on the board for you so that you may know it. If it is not clear, please, I'm writing the word on the board for you, this worksheet. But it is a very easy worksheet. Okay. So are you all ready? Please don't take your book. Don't do anything with your book. Okay. So first let us learn very well. Then we'll move on to the worksheet. Worksheet as such, it is... page number is not there, my dear children. I told you, no, nothing is there in your workbook. Workbook, let us, after 1 or 2 sessions, let us move on to the workbook exercises. Okay. Now, all of you look at the board. All of you look at the board. Now, we are going to answer it. Okay, I'll start with Advait. Advait, come on, Advait. First, so you have to insert a or an before the word. What is the first word here? It is Advait. Come on. Advait, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the first word.
Queen.
Queen, very good. So queen is a word which starts with, is it a vowel letter? Starts with a vowel letter or a consonant letter? It's a, come on, Advait. It starts with a consonant letter. So we have to insert a or an.
A.
We have to insert a before the word. Very good, my dear. Very good. So we have to insert a before the word. Very good. So it is a queen. Very good. Yes. Is that clear? Now let's move on. Yes, yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Wait 1 minute. I'll be calling all of you. Okay. So all of you. Anushka, come on, Anushka. Unmute it. Anushka. Anushka. I'll unmute it for you. Children. Yes. Anushka, are you there?
Ma'am, can I write?
No need of writing. Let's do the worksheet. Please listen. First listen, then we will do the, okay. The notes will be sent to you. Anushka is there?
Yes.
Yes, read the question. Second question. What's the second question is? Have you seen this creature anywhere? What do we call this creature as? It's a sea animal. Yes, octopus. Very good. Octopus. So octopus begins with a letter. Is it with an article or is it with a vowel or a consonant? Vowel letter. Oh, so what we have to do here? Whether we have to insert and. Very good. We have to use and before the word. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Okay, Wilfred. Come on, Wilfred. Wilfred, are you there?
Yeah.
Yes, come on. Take the third word and read the word for me.
Cap.
Cap. Okay, now tell me, is the word begins with a consonant or a vowel letter?
Consonant.
Consonant. So what we have to do, whether we have to insert a or an before the word?
A.
A. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to Anav. Anav, come on, Anav. Let's move on to the next word. What is that? Come on, read the word. Robert. Very good. It starts with which letter? Is it a consonant letter or a vowel letter?
Consonant.
Consonant letter. Fine. So which article we have to use? Whether we have to write a or an before the word?
A.
A. Very good. So we have to use the article a before the word as the word begins with a consonant letter R. Very good. Yes. Now let's move on to the Karthik. Karthik, come on, Karthik. Read the next word.
Ma'am, excuse Muhammad Ali.
Yes, I'll be calling you. Okay, Karthik, come on. Karthik, my dear, come on, read the word. How do we read this word? Q-U-I-L-T. It is quilt. Quilt. Quilt means it's a small bed. Okay, this is not like a bed, it is a thin bed. Okay, so that is known as quilt. So which article do we use before the word?
Wings.
No, my answer. A, very good. So we have to use the article a before the word. Very good. Now let's move on to Muhammad Ali. Come on, Muhammad Ali.
Ball.
Ball. Okay, come on, tell me which article we have to use before the word ball. Ball. A ball. Very good, because B is a consonant. So we have to use the article a before the word. Very good, very good. Children, I'm going to mute you all because there is lots of disturbances are there. Okay, so let me move on to Parvati. All of you, please do mute your audios, my dear children. Parvati, come on. Are you able to unmute it? Yes, come on.
Yes.
Yes, come on. Read the next word. Read the next word.
Dog.
Dog. Okay, dog. So,
A dog.
a dog. Very good. Fantastic. So it is a dog. We have to use the article a before the word dog because D is a consonant. Very good.
Pencil. And pencil.
Pencil. Which article we have to use? Joseph. Come on, Joseph. Wait. Joseph, come on, say the last word.
And.
Pencil. Whether we have to use article a or an?
A.
A, very good. So we have to use article a before the word pencil. Is that clear to all of you? Yes, have all of you understood? Yes. Now let's move on to the next worksheet, children. This is not so clear. Let's move on to the worksheet, which is clearer. Okay. So that many will be getting a chance. Krishna, come on, Krishna. Do the first word.
Dash bat.
Bat. So we have to use a or an before the word.
A.
A, very good. Because B is a word, B is a consonant letter, so we have to use the article a before the word. Very good. Anav, come on, Anav. Anav, can you unmute it? Yes, let's move on to the next word. Read the word. Anav is not there. Aniv? No? Okay. Okay, Jennifer, come on. Jennifer?
Violin.
A violin, yes. So we have to use article a or an before the word.
A violin.
Yes, a violin, because V is a consonant letter. Violin begins with a consonant letter V. So we have to use the article a before the word. Haya, Rashid Ali, come on, Haya. Haya,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, come on.
Glue.
Yes, igloo. Okay, this we call it as igloo. So we have to use a or an before the word igloo. Haya? And very good, because I is a word. Igloo begins with a vowel letter I, so we have to use and before the word igloo. Very good. Santom. Santom. Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, come on. Yes, ladybug. So
A.
yes, a ladybug. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's move on to Advaid. Advaid, come on, Advaid.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Arrows.
Arrows. Very good. Arrows. Meenakshi. Oh, Meenakshi is not there. Meenakshi, I'll come to you later. Nihal, come on, Nihal. Yes, do the next word.
And crocodile.
Yes.
And crocodile.
Not crocodile. It is the name written here is alligator. Alligator, it starts with A. Okay, alligator. So we have to use whether A or an before the word alligator, my dear. Nihal? And because the word begins with a vowel letter A. Very good, Nihal. Bennett. Come on, Bennett.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the next word. Caterpillar. Yes, it's so we have to use A. Very good. We have to use a caterpillar. Very good. Evelyn. Evelyn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Octopus.
Yes, Evelyn, come on, read the word.
An octopus.
Very good. An octopus. Very good. Yes. Octopus. Octopus. Ritika. Very good, Evelyn. Ritika, come on, do the next word.
An house.
Yeah. No, house. House starts with H. So,
house.
yeah,
A
yes.
house.
A house. Very good. A house.
House. A.
Yes, very good. Tirtha? Tirtha? Yes? Yes, come on, do the next word.
Owl.
Owl. Okay, so it begins with an. So it begins with a vowel letter O, so we have to write the article and before the word. Very good, very good. All are doing well. Anurag, come on, Anurag. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do it.
A strawberry.
Yes, a strawberry. Yes. So S is a consonant letter. So we have to use A before the word. Now, Wilfred, who hasn't got the chance here? Evina, come on, Evina. Evina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the word.
Egg.
Egg. Egg is a word which begins with a vowel letter. So which article we have to use there?
A.
Is it A? An. Yes, we have to use the article and before the word because E is a vowel letter. Very good. Mitra. Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the next word for me.
Fish.
Fish. Okay, so whether we have to use A or an?
A.
Very good. A. Yes, if anybody hasn't got a chance, please do raise your hand so that I may call you. Bhagyashri, come on, Bhagyashri. 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 Can you unmute it, my dear? Yes. Come on, read the next word. Bhagyashri.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, so whether we have to use a or an before the word. An, very good. An. Okay. So all have done very well. Jennifer. Hazaria. Come on, Azaria. Azaria. Come on, Azaria. Azaria. Yes.
ma'am.
Do the next word. Frog.
A frog.
Yes, very good. A frog. Now, Advait PS. Come on, Advait. Advait PS. Come on, do the next word. I told you vowel and the vowel sound. Next word, it's not. We will learn that later. Now let's move on to the car. With that, we will wind up today's session. Unicorn, we will learn later. About the exceptional rules, we will be learning later. So Advait PS, do the next word. Car. Yes, very good. A car. Now, who hasn't got the chance, please do raise Advait PS. Very good. Is there anyone there who is left? Please do raise your hands. Bennett, did you get a chance? Bennett? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So I hope almost all of you have got your chance. Madhav, come on, Madhav. Yes, Madhav. Come on, Madhav. Do the next word. Madhav.
Aeroplane.
No, umbrella, you do that word. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Mm.
Umbrella.
An umbrella, very good. An umbrella. Okay, Arav, come on, fast. Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do the next word.
An aeroplane.
Yes, an aeroplane, very good. Okay, now Android, come on, Android. Android. Okay, Arjun, come on, Arjun. Arjun. Do the last word. Elephant.
An elephant.
An elephant. Very good. So we have come to the end of today's session, my dear children. I hope you have understood all about the articles, that is about a and an. It's time for us to wind up today's session. The notes will be sent to you. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye, children. Bye, my dear children.
Bye.
Bye, okay, children.
Bye, ma'am.